How to make a busy book in 5 simple steps. First, let me tell you what is a busy book. Busy books are books with interactive activity pages designed for kids to learn playfully. Unlike traditional felt busy books, anyone can make this printable busy book. Let me show you how with a printable from our website. Download and print the pages. All busy books have activity and cutout pages. The cutout pages are marked with a scissor. Segregate the activity pages and the cutout pages. Laminate the activity pages. Insert the pages inside a laminating pouch. This is a 125 micron laminating pouch. Turn on the laminator and once the light is on, insert the pages. Laminate all the activity pages. Laminate and cut the matching pieces. Similar to the activity pages, laminate the cutout pages. Now, cut the pieces out. Make use of the cutting guides to cut effortlessly. Here is another way to laminate the matching pieces. First, cut the pieces out from the paper. Place them inside the pouch and laminate them. Now, cut again. Are you confused when to use which method? Check the description to learn more about this. Here are 2 pro tips to save time. Use a paper trimmer to cut pieces with straight edges. For safety, trim the sharp edges with a corner rounder. Affix the matching pieces. These are self-adhesive velcro dots. Paste the hook dot on the activity page. Now place the loop dot over the hook dot with the glue side facing upwards. Finally, press the matching piece over it so that the loop dot sticks on the rear. This is how you affix all the loose parts. Organize the pages. Punch holes on the pages and organize them in a file folder. You can also combine the pages. Watch this video to learn the step-by-step instructions. The book is ready. Invite your child to play and have fun. We have busy books for different age groups and themes. So here is a summary of the instructions to make a busy book. These are suitable for any busy book printable from other websites as well. In the description, I have shared more relevant information. I hope you found this video helpful. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much.